3 packs. Let's get it going. Start this fucking Scarlet and Violet. That was a bad rip. Oh my god, that sucked. That was such a bad rip. Straight through Japanese. Oh my. Triple beat. Silly get. Oh my god, don't like these, bro. I see now why people cut these. I literally see now why people cut these. Straight through. Ooh. A little EX. Okay. I like the pattern on that. It's nice. Nice little pattern. Alright. You know what? I got myself, really. I gotta watch out. Oh my god, these scissors suck. What the hell? What is this magic? Oh yeah. I don't know how niggas do scissors with this either. That was just tragic. That was very tragic. Fuck. Took an hour to get out. Mighty God. Well, there's our hits for today. Japanese hits. Look great.